In today's drive-by from Condo Sidekick, we're going to take a look at 197 Union in Union Square in Somerville, Mass. Although the project has already been completed and the units have already been sold, this is such an important project for Union Square that I thought we'd take a look. So this is located at the foot of Prospect Hill at the edge of Union Square. It has retail and condos. So let's go take a look. 197 Union Square at 197 Washington Street in Somerville was completed in 2016. All the units have been sold and some come on the market occasionally. It is located on the very edge of Union Square and at the foot of Prospect Hill. You can see that it's a four-story mixed-use condo development. It has 30 units and the ground floor is retail that abuts right up onto the sidewalk. Washington Street is great for getting away because it takes you to Assembly Row, the 93, and other parts to get away. Also, the Green Line extension is coming through Somerville, Union Square at some point, but soon you'll see just exactly how close it is to Union Square. Right there. That's Union Square right there. So we're going to take a walk up Prospect Hill real quick, and you'll see that Prospect Hill is a nice, quiet neighborhood, and at the top of Prospect Hill is a park. We're soon going to turn around to see the view from what the view would look like from the top floors of 197 Union, and the views would be even better from the roof deck. This property also includes a gym, parking, and all the amenities that a luxury condo building would want.